Hello, friends! Vaulted wood ceilings, lots of glass, and a design by a Harvard and MIT trained architect, your dream home is waiting here in Westminster's Sunset Lanes. Let's go have a look.
We're going to come into the home actually through the carport. There's a front door that faces the street, but from day to day, this carport is where you're going to enter the home. We'll go in through this storm door, and in through this red door, and to the living room. And notice right away how these ceilings hit you, these beautiful stained wood ceilings. They look like tongue and groove, but really, they are T111 siding, face down, plywood, made to look like tongue and groove. You'll see a lot of this throughout the home. Ways that architect Norton Polivnick created a high-end look, but made it affordable. Windows look onto the backyard, giving you about 11.5 feet of lineal windows looking out back. And check out how this wonderful open space feels. A pony wall surrounds the eat-in kitchen, dividing up the space a bit, and yet the space feels wide open. That pony wall also gives you a little bit of space to put some artwork on that you wouldn't otherwise have if you just tore it out and made this one big room. Notice the glass gable above, bringing in some natural light, and also this large side light next to the door coming in from the carport. As we pass into the kitchen here, you'll notice that we have late 1970s, maybe 1980s cabinets in here, an upgrade at some point. Where we have the table there was originally a pantry that was taken out to create this eat-in kitchen space. And you can see that this beautiful ceiling extends over the kitchen, creating really a nice open dramatic space for all of your living. These two lights here are original light fixtures, square lenses, and a nice pendant fixture comes down from the ceiling and over the table in the eat-in kitchen area. We have a little microwave cove. And what is a kitchen without a 1970s super graphic in it? Notice stainless steel appliances, stainless steel sink. Come around here to the pendant, and when they created this eat-in kitchen space, they still added in this nice pantry cabinet right here for extra storage. And the other thing is you'll notice this stainless steel range hood. What they're really doing here is they've boxed out the original through-wall new-tone exhaust vent. A vintage detail from 1955, but changed up a little bit to go with the updated kitchen. Here's the vent from above, the glass gable, and this large side light. There's also a little desk area here in the kitchen, which could also be used as a low prep area. And let's move on. In the hallway that passes the kitchen here, we have a coat closet, and you can see the living room beyond. So really get a sense of, even with these walls in here, how wonderfully open this space is. As we turn around, this cased opening right here is where the front door originally was, before an addition was put onto the front of the house. And we'll go ahead and visit that addition now. This is what I'm calling the multi-purpose space. We have it staged as a dining room right now, a very spacious dining room, but this room can really be used for anything. Notice the great natural light coming in from the huge skylight above. This natural light comes in the skylight all day long, and it is a beautiful quality of light. You could use this space as an office, an artist studio, playroom, informal living room. Really, the possibilities are endless. This pass-through from the kitchen that you see over here, that is where the original kitchen window would have been looking onto the front porch of the home. And we can take a little peek through here back into the kitchen. And we'll go ahead and look at the other direction here at the multi-purpose room. You can really get a sense of how large of a space this is. And at the end of the room, there's a tapestry, and really this acts as a foyer for the entrance off of the street. There's a storm door here too, and we can go ahead and step outside real quick and take a look back at the house, since we really haven't done that yet here in this video. You can see some of the other homes. This is one of 99 total homes, all done by Norton Polivnick and built by D&H contractors in the mid-1950s. So you can see on the right-hand side, there's a little veranda that goes in front of the home. In that addition, that large skylight where the front porch used to be. And we'll just take a closer look here. These windows are the original wood Andersen window package for the home. This is a really special thing to find, and something that I hope a subsequent owner will keep with the home. These Andersen windows, especially the way they're split horizontally, they really give the homes in this neighborhood a distinct look, and a change out to vinyl just never seems to do the look justice. So back into the front door here, the west-facing door. Another look at the ceiling here, a couple of the unique light fixtures that we have in this home. And now we'll go ahead and jump into the adjacent hallway here, into the sleeping section of the home. Notice how there's a real clear division between the living and sleeping sections of this home. So in this wing of the home, I guess I'm calling it, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath, as well as a laundry area, which I will show you in a little while. But first, let's turn around and go into the primary bedroom, the largest bedroom. You'll notice the built-in square light fixture, the recessed light fixture. That's original to 1955, and all of the bedrooms have them, with their original fixtures, original lenses intact. Also, we have the horizontally divided wood Andersen windows in this room on both walls. And notice the closets. This is a really subtle thing, but it's pretty rare to have a closet that goes all the way from the floor to the ceiling. These are full height closet doors, and what a difference it makes for being able to access that top area of your closet. These closet doors really allow you to take full advantage of the storage space available in your closet, something that would not be possible if you had a header coming down from the ceiling. This is a big deal, and these are the original closet doors in the home, which can be found throughout the home. Another neat little feature that was added by the homeowner to take advantage of some space above for more storage space are these little overhead storage compartments that have been put above the bedroom doors. Just gives you a little extra spot to put those rarely used items. What a neat little feature for the homeowner to add through the years. This overhead cabinet can be found at the end of this hall, as you can see. We'll go into the second largest bedroom. This is the front bedroom. So this is the set of windows that we were looking at as we were outside the home. So you can see there's one fixed pane there, and then the horizontally divided pane. These are original Andersen wood windows. There is seasonally mountain views from this window. This neighborhood was touted as having excellent mountain views when these homes were built, and in a lot of ways the homes were positioned in such a way to take advantage of mountain views. So we'll turn around. You can see full height closet doors in this room as well. Another overhead storage compartment there, and of course the recessed light fixture in the ceiling. Now we'll go down the hall and check out the middle bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom, currently staged as a little office. Again, you can see the standard Andersen window package, one fixed unit and then another horizontally divided unit there. Full height closet doors. And as we spin around here, you can see there's a storage unit above this door as well. cool, unique light fixture in the hall. But another thing we have in the hall here is a closet. This is our laundry center. These also have full height closet doors. These are also the original closet doors to the home. And these 3 panels slide among each other to give you access to the laundry. There's probably some opportunity here to use stackable laundry to make this a little more accessible, give you some more floor space, storage area, something to think about, an opportunity for improvement. We do have this large linen closet area here on one side though. And as we slide the closet doors back, you can see the 2 side-by-side units that are there now. This is a good spot if you're doing a showing to look down and see the original oak floors under all of the carpet in this home, except in the addition. We do have original oak floors that could be refinished, giving you that wonderful hardwood floor look. And down at the end of the hall, we of course have our full bath. And a real treat in here is this original yellow and black tile. It might need a little bit of restoration. Maybe a little bit of regrouting here and there, but it's in fantastic condition. Well worth keeping. Great color. It's hard to find these vintage tiles anymore or anything that looks like them, and I always encourage people to keep them when they can, especially when they're in great condition like these tiles are. There I am a little bit. Hello. We also have an original wall-mounted vanity sink here. It was a very rare thing to find. I wouldn't be shocked if you changed this out for a cabinet in the future, but cool thing to see. And this faucet, not original, but definitely in keeping with the vintage of the home. This is the original bathtub, however. There you have the full bathroom, original vintage style, a great treat, particularly if you appreciate vintage design in these 1950s homes. So as we turn back around into the main living hallway here, adjacent to the sleeping hall, at the very end here, this is a great opportunity for improvement as well, as adding a door here to the back patio would be a wonderful idea in the future. It feels like it should be there, but it wasn't part of the original design to have it there. But as we peek outside, you can see there's a nice covered patio that extends the roof line, something that was added on. And to have a door that goes straight out there would be a great improvement to this space. So let's go ahead and take a look outside. Notice the huge side light adjacent to this door, looking into the carport. As we get out here, we're going to pass a couple of sheds on the right. This is your carport storage shed. And on the left, this is actually a small utility room that is accessible outside of the home. And inside this, you're going to find your hot water heater and your boiler. All of the homes in Sunset Lanes were originally built with baseboard hydronic heat, and this one is no exception. Although most of them had the boilers inside the house originally, in this case they did move it outside into this little utility room. So here's your covered patio, the large windows of the living room looking out onto that. Some paver bricks. And just look at how private this backyard is. There's a hill that goes up to the lots behind, which are also part of Sunset Lanes, but you can't see the homes at all. You really have a lot of privacy back here. There is some fence restoration that needs to be done, but overall, there's a lot of potential for this to be a great backyard. And of course we have some great mature trees. One of the reasons to pick a mid-century neighborhood are these mature, tall shade trees over the yard. As we look back at the home, you can see the covered patio, the Andersen window in the primary bedroom, and on the right side is another storage shed over here. can see those paver bricks on the ground. And looking back at the backyard.
I hope you enjoyed this guided tour of 7958 Stuart Street in Westminster's Sunset Lanes. Call your agent for a showing today or give me a call at 303-900-8220. Your dream home is waiting here in Sunset Lanes.